I've lived in Malaysia for some time now, and one thing I've come to observe very well, like over the years, is that once is Chinese New Year period, everyone seems to be feeling sick or getting sick. And when I say sick, I mean coughing, flu, serious fever, and all that. I don't know why it's like that. I can't even tell why it's like that, but this is what I've come to know. This is what I've come to observe. And whenever this happens, it can be very serious. Me, baby, once again. Welcome and thank you for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this particular video. So it's about 6 o'clock p.m. on a Friday in Malaysia, and we're on our way to the clinic to get my toddler checked because he has been coughing non-stop. And when I say coughing, I mean coughing in a choking way. He coughs and it's as if he's gonna choke on his cough. It's as if he doesn't breathe when he's coughing. So on this day, we decided to take him to the clinic. It was a Friday and somehow the clinic wasn't open and we didn't know because, we called them several times and they did not pick up. So we decided to go there ourselves. But unfortunately, even on reaching there, they were not available that day. So we now decided to go to a pharmacy. We explained to the doctor what had happened and what is happening, and he gave us some medication to give him. And then we decided to go and chill for a bit because it was already night and there wasn't much we could do. Now, this started happening to him during the Chinese New Year. Like I said earlier, that during Chinese New Year, everyone starts feeling sick, especially in my home. I don't know if it happens in other homes, but I've observed in my home this is what happens every year. Is gone to the extent that once Chinese New Year is about to happen, we just go and get some drugs just to be prepared for it. So yeah, everyone started feeling sick and got better at some point, but somehow my toddler kept on coughing and it got really, really bad. So we had to take him to the clinic. I think this happens as a result of all the fireworks that the Chinese people shoot. That's the right word, right? To celebrate their Chinese New Year, of which, of course, everyone should celebrate wherever. But this makes the weather really bad at that time because like everybody's celebrating everywhere, and the weather just gets so bad, so cloudy with pollution and everything. And during this period, everyone just starts getting sick. Like even at my kids' school, you see people missing classes because everyone is reported being sick and all that. This is what we did on this day, and I'm gonna leave you now to enjoy the rest of the blog because like I said, we were unable to meet the doctor that day, so we had to go home to come back the next day. But we decided to go to the mall to have something to bite because we've been out for a while. So anyways, in the mall we decided to go to Starbucks cafe where we can have maybe some donuts, just something to bite and drink before heading home. So I just made my order, or I was making my order while my husband and our toddler was sitting somewhere at our
This
table.
is what? Large?
Yeah, this is 20.
Venti. Okay.
I had this drink, the most strawberry mochi blossom, and my husband had the hot version of it, which was really good, by the way. This was just me wondering what I'm gonna do with this my toddler coughing and all that. I'm praying to God that this stop because, to be honest, no parents want to see their children feeling sick or being sick at all because it can be really, really, really stressful. This made me to not do much during that week when this was happening. Couldn't do anything because even to sleep, like you'll be sleeping with him and he will be coughing. I couldn't even let him out of my sight because it was that bad. He will cough and it is as if he's choking and finding it hard to breathe again. Sometimes he coughs and before he regains his breathing, it takes like a second, like this is what was happening and it was really, 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 really bad. My son is really okay now. This vlog took a while to be uploaded, but yeah, he's okay now. The coughing has stopped, his breathing is back to normal, everything is okay, and I just thank God Almighty for this healing because I wasn't ready. I'm not ready for this type of life. To those people that have, special needs children, I pray that may God heal your children because it's not a joke. Seriously. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Just enjoy the rest of the video.
Say mommy. Mommy. Say My love, see how handsome you look. Mwah. I love you. Tell mommy you love me. Do you love mommy? Yeah, tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Say I love you. You know how to say it. You're just shy. Cuckoo. Mwah. Stop coughing, okay, please. Yeah, yeah, oh. Alive, hold on, okay? Hold on. Mba, can't have okay, can't draw it, can't my own. You can call that chocolate now.
No, see, I like you.
This is a life's own hot chocolate.
Get my own.
Ama, I might get thirsty, I know to know.
Million.
Wait, okay, wait.
Enter your name out.
Let's find it.
And like, which one is yours? I think yours is the hot one. You want the cold one? Mommy's testing it. Oh. Or talk at your face.
No, you don't. Taste it.
Okay. This looks like mine. My wife has tested my own now. Huh? There's cheating already in this place. So.
You like it? You like it? You want this one?
Mine is bitter.
After it.
This is an evening chillax. Like my wife would say, let's come and chillax. Do you like the donut? Put all in your mouth at once.
You go touch this serious. Kita ke? Kau do KY kita ke nai?
No,
Ah, what you cook?
that will be right. Oh,
I like it. It's okay. It's. I drink. Good boy. My independent baby boy. Mr. Independent alive. Boo, it's okay. Sorry, my love. Yeah, drink. It's hot chocolate. Yeah, drink, okay? Drink first. Drink before you eat. Drink now. No, drink. Drink first. Drink. Bend down. Bring your head down. Drink now. Put your head here. Drink from the straw. Drink. Should I keep it? Okay, media. I don't have one. Okay, media.
hello guys. Can you see my wife? She's the prettiest woman in the world, in my opinion. I don't care what anybody else has to say. It's their own business. You see? And that's my boy there. Allah, what's happening? Whoosh! Don't do that. See, you have hit your head on the chair. Or should I use the old English? you hitted your head on.
You have
You
hit your head.
hitted your head on the chair. But on the, what is the difference? You have hit your head. You have hitted your head. Hitted could have as well been, applicable. But they said it's wrong. Hit. Why not hit? Hitted.
Or heated doesn't sound right in your mouth.
No. It's not about sounding right. Is that at least it can be applied. You know, if you say heated, it may not altogether be wrong, but the English owners, the people that owns in English, they are saying it's wrong. How about give her book, and they say give him his book. Why not give him book? As is give her book, or give her she book.
Let's go and ask them.
Give her she book. They give him his book, but I said no. It's give him his book. Give her book. I don't think it's right. They should have just. They are talking about gender equality. If gender equality should be applied in this circumstance, then you should say his book and give her. Give him, give him, give him. No, give he.
Give him.
No, give he book. Again, give her.
Give she
book. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Give she book. Give he book. That is gender equality. You know?
You will go right to your phone English.
Because this thing is not fair. How can you say give her her book?
Get up.
And I stop that, please. Please stop.
Go and touch. Come, let's go. Let's touch it. See? Mommy will touch. See?
I like
See?
She's so scared. I like
See?
she's so scared. Why are you scared?
See?
She's so scared. Come on, touch.
Come and touch. See?
Go touch. Go and touch.
Come and say hello to fish.
Go that way.
Bubu, come. Emechagi do I hope but let's see fish. You don't want to touch it, but you want to see. Oh yeah, let's go. You want to touch it? Go and touch it. Go touch it. Oh yeah, let's go. Tell fish bye. Say bye, fish. See you next time. Let's go. Bubu, let's go. Watch your way.
And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this particular video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.